Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. My boyfriend's 30th birthday is coming up and I'm going to surprise him with a trip to Marbella in Spain. We've both never been there so far, so I'm looking much forward to this getaway and I thought it would be fun to make a little pack with me video once again. Let me start with some new summer pieces that I've ordered lately. First up, we have this mango dress here. I thought this would be the perfect little easy to throw on dress for vacation. It has a straight cut, not sure if you can see it, maybe like this. And it comes with spaghetti straps and with a little zip on the back, so it's easy to throw on. I am loving these contrasting wavy scalloped details on the hem and that it's made out of 100% linen, which is my favorite summer material as it's so lightweight and so comfortable to wear. I am going to pair this dress with my black Oran sandals and some cute bag, probably my Chanel Raffia one. I think this would go perfectly together. And then a pair of black Chanel sunglasses and we're good to go. Maybe my Celine hat that I got for my birthday would also go well with this look, but I still need to figure out how to transport that as it's obviously quite big and a little bit difficult to get into the suitcase, I guess. Another piece that I recently ordered is this button-up top from a brand called Avora. It comes with a full button line from top to bottom, which is actually very hassle-free to open and close as it's press buttons. I'm not sure if this is actually the right English term to use, but I will demonstrate you so that you get what I mean. You can just basically rip it open like that, super simple. And in the back there is a buckle that allows you to cinch it in for a less straight and a little bit more tailored look. And this one here is also made mainly out of linen, so again a perfect summer piece. This top is currently on sale. I will leave you a link in the description box of this video and I hope it will be still available once I'm uploading this video. I am planning to pair this top with my natural toned linen shorts from Abercrombie, maybe my white Hermès reversible belt and my Loewe basket bag or the white Chanel classic flap. I still need to see which bags I will ultimately choose that will go perfectly together with all of the outfits that I'm going to pack. For the shoes, I will either take my Louis Vuitton slides, which I think would look nice together with my brown Bottega Veneta sunglasses, or if I don't have enough space in the suitcase, I will probably just wear my Oran sandals again. Another pair of sunglasses that would perfectly round up this look are my new Gucci sunglasses that I also got for my birthday. I was really missing a white pair in my sunglasses selection. I tried on many different options in the past, but I'm quite picky when it comes to white frames as they often look too bulky on my face, so this one here is actually perfect, but this pair here has a perfect balance with the golden metal frames, so these ones will definitely be packed. For look number 3, I'll be packing my Gucci shirt once again, which I already took with me to Mykonos, but I didn't end up wearing it because I overpacked a little bit. So I'll just take over the look that I already had planned for Mykonos with a pair of white shorts and some sneakers like my Sandals or again my Oran sandals in Beige Mastic. Perfect look for a day in the old town. And again, a perfect match with my new white Gucci sunnies. One of my all-time favorite summer pieces is this Loewe silk shirt here. Even though it comes with long sleeves, it is so lightweight to wear and sometimes it also comes in quite handy when I just want to cover up a little bit and give my skin a break from all the sun exposure all day. I am planning to combine this shirt with my And Other Stories silk pants in this golden beige tone, a full silk on silk look. I hope it will not look too much like pajamas, but it will for sure be a very comfy outfit. Again, I will probably wear a pair of sandals with this look. This time I'll probably take my Orans in the color Beige Mastic and we're done. I really have the feeling that it's about time to finally get the Orans in white as I'm really missing a pair of white sandals in my closet. I'm slowly realizing when putting together all these looks. Of course, I also have to pack my new Toteme shorts that I also got for my birthday and already wore in Mykonos. It's just such a perfect summer staple and it is so easy to throw on and easy to style. I will probably combine the shorts with this black rib knit top from H&M and then I'll maybe style it with my Toteme silk scarf that I could use as a hair accessory or maybe wrap around the back as an accessory. Still need to figure out the exact look, but the shorts come for sure. Maybe this would even look cute with my Chanel Mary Janes, but I'm not 100% sure yet if I will pack them. I'll make it dependent on how much space I will have left in the suitcase, and I'm also not so sure if they're actually a very summery shoe, but I could imagine some outfits with them, so let's see. Another outfit that consists of pretty basic staples and will be made a look with the details is this black Zara waistcoat here that I will combine with some black linen shorts. To style this up, I am planning to top it off with my Celine hat again, with my Chanel Raffia bag, and then I will probably wear my black Oran sandals or maybe the Mary Janes. A variation for the evening could be with a pair of long black linen trousers or maybe also my Toteme black trousers that I also have in long. Another option would be this plissé set here from Fourth and Reckless. It comes with this shirt, again a long sleeve, and with a pair of long trousers. I really like this set. I think it looks very summery, but I'll just put this aside as a backup as it might be a little bit too warm to wear this. Maybe the pants would work with the swimwear that I'm going to show you next. For swimwear, I will of course take my new Louis Vuitton swimsuit with me that I also got for my birthday. And now when I look at the pants, it actually does not match at all, I think, or maybe? I'm not sure. This is definitely cream and this is white. The question is if the difference is big enough that it's actually not mismatching white, if you know what I mean. This swimsuit can definitely also be worn as a top, so when I throw over a pair of black linen pants and maybe combine it with my Celine hat and again the pair of black orange sandals, we've got another very nice outfit option. And then I also packed the bikinis that I didn't take with me to Mykonos, my Gucci one and my Fendi one, and maybe I'll also take my white H&M set once again because I really love it. And that's about it. Maybe I'll pack some more staple pieces such as this Lily silk top here and maybe also some pairs of linen trousers. Also thinking of taking this striped version here from Zara. This is also a long one, so I'm not sure if I will really need it. Some basic tees also always come in handy, and maybe I'll also take my Prada bucket hat with me. So a couple of good staples and basic pieces that you can basically combine with everything. I will make this dependent on how much space I will have left in my suitcase. And actually, I'm already considering if it wouldn't be better to book a check-in luggage, because so far we're planning to just travel with carry-on, but if I look around, I think it might become a little bit tricky because I also need to transport all the gifts for my boyfriend, of course. So for the bags, let's see what I have now on my ultimate short list. First we have the Chanel Raffia bag. I think this is a sure choice already because it's such a summery bag and I want to wear it as much as possible during the summer months. Then we could take the white small classic flap with the champagne gold hardware, which is always a safe choice as it basically goes together well with everything. But then I would have the exact same bags with me that I already wore in Mykonos, so still not sure about this one. Another option would be the Fendi mini baguette. This one would work for sure with a couple of basic outfits. I had this vision on brown and white looks, but when I look at my selection now, I'm not sure anymore about this one. And last but not least, the well-trusted Loewe basket bag, which I would need to take as my travel bag, which is not ideal to be honest, because it's not the most handy travel bag, but it's okay, it works out. I already took it to Mykonos. It fits under the seat of the airplane for sure, but it's not so nice because you can't close it on top, so you always have to be a little bit careful that nothing is falling out or nobody's grabbing things out of your bag. It does make the perfect beach bag though, and I don't have any other beach bag with me, so this speaks for this one again. And that's already it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed getting some insights into my thought process when packing for a trip. As you can see, I'm always trying to plan a certain set of fully configured outfits so that I'm not stressed out during the trip not knowing what to wear. I usually write down all the looks on my notes app on my phone and then I just tick them off every day, and then I might add up a couple of good basics that allow me to spontaneously alter some looks in case I'm not happy with them. If you would like to see what I ultimately took with me to Marbella and how the outfits look worn on me, make sure to watch my travel vlog that will follow soon. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment with your favorite look, I would love to know. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell yet, make sure to do so that you will not miss out on any upcoming videos. Bye guys, see you soon in beautiful Spain.